Hi friends, welcome back. Naji here. So in our last video we have discussed about command and we discussed how can we go to from one node to another node. And in this video we will be discussing on from a subgraph how can we move to a node in the parent graph. So we'll see how can we do that. And for that let me copy few things from our previous notebook. So let me copy and paste it here. Okay. And I need to add one more thing, that is annotated, and we need to import the operator. Okay, so once that is done we can define a state. This can be imported from the type deck and we'll be defining a foo, which is we'll be using the operator dot add function, okay, as a reducer. Okay, so this is done. Now we can define a node. So similar to the last session, that we will be creating a node, that is state. Okay, here I can use called a, can be returned. Now value will be random dot choice. Okay, here I can give two choices, one is a and other one is b, and based on the value, if the value that is selected is a, then we will be go to node b. Here I can say equal to, okay, else we will be go to node c. Okay, so this is we define. Now we can define the return. Okay, return, we can define the command, and the command will be, I can give a update. So here we will able to do a update, so I can say that, okay, foo, and this will be the value. Okay, now say that go to, and I have to specify where I need to go. So based on the condition, based on the a or selected b, from this random choice we will go to the node b and node c. So that is assigned to the go to, and that is again assigned to the go to variable here. Okay. Now we can specify where to go. So here I can specify that command dot parent. So this will say that, okay, so whenever this condition will, you have to go to node b and node c, and this node will be in the parent node, okay, or parent graph. Okay, and we'll see how can we define the parent and the subgraph. So here this is the subgraph. Okay, in subgraph similar way that we can create. So this is the state graph. Okay, and here I can add a node. So my node name is node a dot add edge. So the edge will be start comma node a. So I am going to say that compile here. Okay, so this is subgraph is created. Now I can define a node b, right? So here we will have a node b. I can say that print node b return foo, and b will be returned. Okay, in the similar way we can create the node c. We will be saying state, and here I can say that print node c, then return foo c. Okay, now the subgraph and the parent nodes are created. Now we can create a builder. So the builder will be, I can have a state graph, define the state, builder dot add edge. I can define subgraph here, then builder dot add node. So one node will be the subgraph node, and I can have a builder dot add node. I can add node B, then builder dot add node. Here I can add node C. We can compile it. Graph this is equal to builder dot compile. So compile is also work well without any issue. So let me go back and copy this particular image, this particular command to run to show the image. So let me see the image. So it says status code is 400. Some issues are there. Okay, so we'll see how can we run this. Okay, maybe some issues with the subgraph. So let me try graph dot invoke. We'll see this work or not. Let me set foo, and we have a empty. Now let me execute it. So here we can see first it is called A. So A is our, so first is called A. So we are in here. Then it is selected A or B. Based on that, so they have selected node C. Then it is added the C to it. Okay. So in this way we will able to create a subgraph and moving from subgraph to its parent graph or parent node. Okay. So that is all about in this video. Please do like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye bye.